Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Himanshi. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Himanshi and I make videos related to civil services. So today in this video, I am going to make a comparison. अब किस चीज़ का हम comparison करेंगे इस वीडियो में. So what I will do is मैं एक topic select करूँगी और मैं एक ऐसा topic select करूँगी जिसके मैंने already notes बनाए हुए हैं. तो उस टॉपिक को पहले मैं डायरेक्टली बुक से पढ़ूंगी पूरा एंड देन आई विल रीड इट थ्रू माई नोट्स. और फिर हम टाइम बेसिकली कैलकुलेट करेंगे कि कितना टाइम मुझे लगा उस टॉपिक को बुक से पढ़ने में एंड देन कितना टाइम मुझे लगा उस टॉपिक को मेरे नोट से पढ़ने में. इससे क्या होगा फिर जो भी रिजल्ट होगा उससे हम ये पता लगा सकेंगे कि नोट मेकिंग एक्चुअल में कितना इफेक्टिव होता है और कितना आपका टाइम वो सेव कर सकता है. So to know the effectiveness of the note making, I am going to do this experiment. So let's get into the video. So सबसे पहले मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ फिजिकल जोग्राफी बुक का एक टॉपिक जिसके मेरे नोट्स ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं. और मैं यहाँ पे चैप्टर 6 जो है आपका सॉरी नॉट चैप्टर 6, चैप्टर 9, सोलर रेडिएशन, हीट बैलेंस एंड टेम्परेचर, इस चैप्टर को पहले मैं बुक से रीड करूँगी एंड देन आई रीड इट थ्रू फ्रॉम माई नोट्स. और जितना हो सकेगा मैं ऑनेस्ट कंपैरिजन करने की कोशिश करूँगी, सेम स्पीड मेंटेन करने की कोशिश करूँगी. और ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू द टाइम कि कितना टाइम मुझे लग रहा है उस चैप्टर को पढ़ने में बुक से एंड देन माई नोट्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वीडियो. So I am done reading from the book. Now I'm going to read the same chapter from my notes which I've made. So you can have a look. I've already made the notes of this chapter, solar radiation. Everything is covered, every topic is covered, and these notes are quite comprehensive. As you can see, every topic is covered in these notes. So these are my notes for this chapter. So I'll be reading this chapter from these notes now. So let's begin. The topic from both the sources and I calculated the time. So it took me around 13 to 14 minutes to read the chapter from the book, and it took me around 5 to 6 minutes to read the same chapter from my notes. And thing that I noticed while reading from the book is that I was not that much attentive while reading from the book, because there was so much information, necessary, unnecessary, but while reading from my notes I was much more attentive. This is the difference that I have noticed while making this comparison. Another thing that I would like to add is that for all those people who think that reading a chapter in 13-14 minutes is not possible, I would like to say this thing. I would like to make this clear that my reading speed is quite nice and I'm not a slow reader, and I've already read these notes also and this chapter also beforehand. That is why it took me this less time, and if you're reading for the first time, I think it will take more time, but when you have read the things earlier, then it takes lesser time. So that was all about this video. So the result is this, that it took me a nearly 50% lesser time, or you can say 50 to 60% lesser time, when I read the same topic from my notes. And this clearly shows the effectiveness of the note making. So I will personally suggest that you should make notes. I have purposely chosen the topic, just short topic, short chapter, so that this video doesn't get longer. And when you read a very long chapter from the book, it takes a lot of time. So you should always make notes for those chapters, at least, which are very, very long, right? So this was my personal take on note making and effectiveness of the note making. And do let me know what you people felt about this video, and what are your views on note making and how effective you think note making is. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and consider liking this video as well, and share it with others. This was a fun experiment. I'm not saying that note making is essential. It is important, but it is not essential. Some people may not find them effective, but for some people like me, they are really effective. And thank you.